to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today is Saturday, August 29th. And for you today, I have my Boxycharm Premium, which finally arrived yesterday. Like, I go ahead and film it. I was at the mall earlier today and I had a kick an eye look on. So I was like, I was not going to waste my eye look. They made it all like gray. I didn't get to choose because I signed up after the first because I just wanted this box because there was supposed to be a Sunday Riley item, and then I found out that a couple versions, or there's at least one version that didn't have a Sunday Riley item, and I was like, oh, I hope I don't get that because I really just wanted a Sunday Riley item for 35 bucks and a few other things for 35 bucks, which is, you know, way cheaper. So the Sunday Riley item that I got, the CEO vitamin C hydration cream. I know this retails for $65. It is infused with 5% vitamin C. It's deeply hydrating without being greasy to visibly brighten dull skin, fight the signs of dehydration and damage, and provide advanced antioxidant support. It is a powerful jar staple and highly targeted vitamin C derivative that prevents and repairs the visible signs of premature skin aging while being significantly less irritating than other forms of vitamin C. I'm supposed to apply it morning and night. I actually haven't really used a moisturizer with vitamin C in it, so that's interesting. I recently, in the past few months, learned that maracuja oil, which is my holy grail from Tarte that I use every day and have for the past couple of years, it is vitamin C. Basically, that's what it is. So apparently my skin loves vitamin C. I actually already have a jar of this, but I'm still going to keep it because I'm using my moisturizers now more than ever. And so I just need to probably put a label on this one's newer. So I use the old one first because I don't think there's a visible like expiration date on this since it didn't come in a box or anything like that. I didn't get a card in this space, y'all, so I did not get a card. Next thing up is from Daily Concepts, and I was really unsure about this thing. I was like, I don't want that. Why they give that to me? This is a daily detox massage and brush with 100% natural bristles for. It is ideal for smoothing and softening skin. It stimulates circulation and detox skin. It says, this is dry or wet, scrub and repeat. Partners well with your favorite scrub or wash, or stands alone for dry brushing. If you don't know what dry brushing is, it's this whole thing people swear by it. I don't think it's supposed to be daily. Some people might do it daily. You're supposed to just like exfoliate and slough off all your dead skin. Like you scrub a brush like over all of your skin, which can be irritating if you're sensitive skin. But I don't know. It says polish in circular motions all over body in order to stimulate circulation and to eliminate layers of dead skin, designed to exfoliate and smooth skin to improve overall appearance of skin. They keep using the kind of repeaty wording. And you're supposed to clean it after use. So it has a band on the back. It's pretty. It's a hefty weight. It's not flimsy at all. It's got like little knobbles to like, those would really stimulate your skin, and scrubbies to like exfoliate. I have never exfoliated. I don't even use like a exfoliating body wash anymore. I don't know. I'm kind of interested in it, kind of. I don't know if I'll ever actually use it. But then maybe I wouldn't have had those chicken bumps if I'd actually exfoliated. They're so much smoother. They're still there a little bit, but they look so much better and love it's gone. Because I've tried, I think I missed 1 week. Because I just forget, I do it like once a week, that Skin FX exfoliating. And it has helped tremendous. Now, next up is a MAC lipstick. It's a satin lipstick in the shade Snob. Y'all know I love MAC. Okay, so it's nothing against MAC. I love MAC lipsticks. They're matte lipsticks. Pretty much stay all day through twice eating. They'll still be color. They're good. However, this, and they do smell like vanilla. They smell great. This is just like, it's a little too light for me to actually wear ever, except during a look. I'm like, it's just a little light for me. So I'm going to pass this on to somebody. I don't know who. don't know when, but it's too light for me. It would be a good bridal color, like bridesmaid, like those kind of colors. Like if you weren't, if you were going more softer, or like a Mother's Day color kind of thing, because it's like a rose, like a true rose, just on the lighter end of rose. Next thing up, this is the thing I really didn't want. This is the German Select Extra Large Lash Volumizer, and basically it's an eyelash and eyebrow booster formula, which I already have one or two of those, and I always forget to use them. But it's supposed to transform lashes to appear longer, thicker, fuller, and stronger, specifically formulated to target thin, weak, brittle lashes. Formulated with strengthening trio of active multi-peptides, conditioning treatment works to bolster, moisturize, and fortify. Unbeatable coverage and volume, excellent for eyebrows too. It's a biometric peptide combined with red clover extract. Nourish and trip. Okay, it's before bedtime. Applied to clean dry lashes from root to tip and leave on. Also recommended for eyebrows. They're mostly reliant on that red clover extract. All this box for only taking up less than half. I feel like it's a square little thing. So this is what it looks like. I don't honestly know if I'll use it or not. Okay, this one I first saw, I was like, really? Really, a mascara in a premium box? Mascara. However, this is Lights Camera Splashes. It's Lights Camera Lashes. I love that mascara, how it looked on my lashes, but I can never wear it because unless it's certain formulas that are like 18-hour wear or waterproof, they won't last on my eyes. They smudge. Everything is horrible. But this is the waterproof version. I didn't even know they had a waterproof version, but I love, if this applies like the regular version, because I love it upon application, it just smudges everywhere. Even if it's not hot or I'm not sweating, it smudges. I don't know what's with mascara. I'll put it on my top lashes only and it smudges. Weirdest thing ever. However, I'm super excited. It's glittery and it has an anchor on it. So cute. I'm hoping it's the same brushy formula. I have mascara on already, otherwise I try it. So I'm excited for this. I need another waterproof mascara. Last thing is the Ciate Editor Palette. I think this is going in all premium boxes or most premium boxes. No, it was just the Violet Voss Essentials, right? Essentials 2, which I'm glad I didn't get. I don't know what with their formula. The only thing I know I'm allergic to is carmine, but their formula basically gave me the same reaction that carmine does to my eyeballs. So anyway, so this is the Ciate Editor Palette. Now I wasn't excited about getting this because you can't find information online really about this palette. I think it's a Boxy exclusive. But this sucker, and you have to go way over here, because I was looking at the ingredients, it's like really, is cruelty free and vegan, which I'm super stoked about. I know it's their only palette that is vegan without carmine. Even their Jessica Rabbit, their glitter ones, where the case is like shakeable glitter, you have to know, like all those contain carmine, so I haven't got to try their formula. I think it's pretty packaging. It is just plastic, which can look a little cheap when it's just like this. But yeah, it says New England. But that's fine. I mean, it's travel friendly. It's harder, right? So it does have big old mirror right here. And I did not swatch that shade, so we're just like going with what that shade looks like. But it's actually pretty. It's neutral and then not, because you do have jewel tones and these really pretty like metallic, which are interesting texture wise. Like I haven't even touched it, but it's interesting in the pan, the texture we got. Let me like swatch that. Like that's what it looks like. Pretty soft. Okay, so yeah, it's an interesting color. Okay, you got like that color. See, these save it from being a neutral palette because your mattes are. Oh, I just kind of layered that one. It's fine. And then this really pretty garnet. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so I like that. I like the mix. That one might be too light to really show up on me, but that one's not. That one's not. So it's in the that one's metallic. But it's got really pretty colors, and I just really want to try this formula and try it out and see how Ciate London shadows are. And this is actually a really good fall palette, really. Like, yeah, it's fall. It's going late summer and the fall. I get the New England theme. Yeah, I get those kind of colors too. So I think it's really pretty, and it's not totally neutral because of these like 4 shades, and you got that really pretty purple and that really pretty blue, which is like doing something. So is that one. I didn't get a good swatch of that one. What is that shade? That's silver. Okay. You can go smoky with this palette. So that's really interesting. And this is a shimmer. Oh, that's pretty. Like, you're gonna get like double color because, oh no, I was able to get most of that, just that color. That's really pretty. And they're really soft, so I'm excited about using that palette. Go Ciate for making a vegan palette for me. So anyway, that was my box. What y'all think? I thought it was pretty good from a premium box. I'm glad I got the editor palette. And you know, the MAC lipstick, if it had been in a different shade, I would have been really excited about that. And then the Sunday Rally, even though I already have one, I mean, I don't want to pay $65 for it. So we're all good with that. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!